Hello my lecturer and my friends. Today our group are going to present about comparison of degree. Presented by Putu Krisna Pradana Hermanta, Igede Suryawan Maharta, and Adnyana. Comparison of degree. The comparison of degree in English grammar are made with the adjective and adverb words to show how big or small, high or low, more or less, many or few of the qualities, numbers, and positions of the nouns. Kinds of comparison. The comparison have three kinds. The first is positive degree, the second is comparative degree, and the third is superlative. Now I'm going to talk about positive degree first. Positive degree consists two parts. There are degree of equality, showing that two persons or things are the same and having same quality. For example, the brown cat is as beautiful as the gray cat. Both the cats are the same. And the second, degree of inequality, showing that two persons or things are not the same and not having same quality. For example, Peter is not as so fast as Paul. They are not same in quality. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects. They modify larger, smaller, faster, and higher. So this is the pattern, and the example is a horse can run faster than a dog. This formula for the word that has more than one syllables. I provide you the pattern you can see, and the example also. This red dress is more comfortable than the white, and so on. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an objective which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality, the tallest, the smallest, the fastest, and the highest. I provide you the pattern you can see, and the example is the elephant is the largest of all land animals. This formula for the word that has more than one syllables. You can see the pattern, and the example is Susan is the most intelligent girl in the class. How to construct an adjective in the degrees of comparison. As you can see on the table, there are positive, comparative, and superlative. For the example, in positive is cheap, in comparative cheaper, in superlative cheapest, in positive great, in comparative greater, in superlative greatest, and so on. Adjectives that end with the letter Y, then Y is replaced by I, and then added ER or EST. For the example, in positive is happy, in comparative happier, in superlative happiest. In positive lucky, in comparative luckier, in superlative luckiest, and so on. Adjective consisting of three syllables or more directly added with the more or most. In, in positive careful, in comparative more careful, in superlative most careful. In positive careless, in comparative more careless, in superlative most careless, and so on. Special adjective. There are special adjectives. In positive is bad, in comparative worse, in superlative worse, in positive good, in comparative better, in superlative best, and so on. There are six adverbs in the form of positive degrees, but each adjective in the form of comparative and superlative. For example, in positive for, in comparative farther, in superlative farthest, in positive far, in comparative farther, in superlative farthest, and so on. So that's all our presentation about degree of comparison. Thank you for your attention.